Canva apps you didn't know existed. Tonight we're going to work on replacing a background. Most times you have certain pictures that you don't want the background, or you want to change the background. Canva has an app that can help you achieve that aim. So we'll start with creating. We click on create. We select the format of the canvas. We're going to use a Facebook post, the square canvas, and then we'll upload our image onto the canvas. After uploading the image, we'll stretch it to fill the canvas, and then we'll search for the app that would replace the background. So you click on the apps and then you key in replace background. This can be done even if you have a free account, so you don't need a pro account to change the background. You can do with the free background. Let's click on replace background and then key in the background that we are looking out for. So I'm going to look for Dubai Desert Safari. Let's see. Dubai Desert Safari. Let's replace it. Alrighty. As we are transforming our image, if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on the video. So this is what Canva gave us. It replaced our original background with the desert. Isn't this beautiful? You can do this with the free or pro account. Try it and let's hear it in the comment section. See you.